Yo, what's up? Naruto Kayou have brought out a brand new booster box in 2024, the Age of Ninja. In this video, we're going to be doing a deep dive into the brand new rarities, explaining all there is to it, the pull rates, the pricing, the different versions of each card, and pulling these figures from the official Kayou database, as well as some online websites where these cards retail. Let's get into it. We're going to quickly just glance over the bulk hits. 50 new R cards, they look like this. There is 30 new SR cards, and these are Fierce Battle style cards, and they look like this. Very cool. There's 20 new SSR cards, they are Famous Battle cards, they look like this. There's 22 new UR cards, and they look like this. The new PTR historical cards are the new animated poster style cards. You can buy all of the 20 for around $15. Some of these posters go really hard. I think Kayou done a really good job of this brand new rarity. Onto the brand new SPs. This is where Naruto Kayou have got very techy. There is 11 new SP cards. The style of the SPs is similar. However, Kayou have made 3 different batches of materials. So you've got the regular version, parallel version, and the N version. They have a lot more colour on the cards, if you guys get what I mean. Background of the card, for example, a lot more colour that's linked to the character. So, here's an example of the regular version. So you got this younger Naruto and the Naruto from Shippuden, just fist bump in there. And then you've got the parallel version. You guys might notice straight away, there's more of a glow to the character. The parallel version of the SP is worth a lot more. Depending on what card it is, some of them, parallel version is a lot more rare, and it's a markup of about $30. On some of the other ones, it's only a $10–15 difference between the normal version and the parallel version. Here's another example of the parallel versus the normal version. Not only can you tell by the glowish hint, you can also tell by the card number in the bottom right. It's got a P following the number of the card. We're not sure for the pull rates for these parallel SPs, but we know that for the normal SPs, they are guaranteed in every Age of Ninja box. The third batch is Special Naruto SP. Now, we're not currently sure of the pull rate for this card. The price for this at the moment on the market is around $80–90. It's got the little red kanji mark just underneath his hand that denotes he's a real deal. There is 8 brand new MR cards from the Akatsuki. Kayou have made these Akatsuki exclusive. Deidara card is worth $13. ITACHI. The price for both ITACHI cards, $14 and $13. Sasori. The price for the 2 Sasori cards is $16 and $12. Sasuke. Conan. The Conan card is worth $15. And Pain. You can pull 1 MR in every 35 packs. There is some very special brand new Happy Wedding MR cards. This first one is Hinata, Sakura, Ino, and Rin. All of them in the Happy New Year oriental dresses. Happy Wedding in gold written on the card in English. And these are limited to the N material. This card is worth around $400. Another one of these MR Happy Wedding style cards, and that is the boys. We've got Naruto, Zai, Sasuke, Rock Lee, Kiba, Choji, Shikamaru in the oriental Chinese dress, celebrating the new year, and this card is worth around $350 on the market. The community is not really sure on the pull rate for these special MR cards, but from the price, they must be relatively rare. If you manage to pull this, go absolutely bananas. Onto the XR cards. These are just beautiful scroll cards, navy blue borders. They also have alternative art style. Background is fully integrated with the character. The artwork here is so ambitious, and they are drawn in ink outline, which gives it that picturesque look. So there are 7 of these XRs. We've got Sasuke, Kakashi, Jiraiya, Naruto, Iruka Sensei, and Naruto. These XR cards on the market average around $50–60, and the pull rate for them is 1 in every 240 packs. The brand new QRs look like this, and they are something we haven't seen before. We have 10 of these brand new QR cards. These are actually embroidered card. What this means is the card has multiple layers to give it that embroidered look. What we can see is the character name in the bottom, as well as the name of the character behind them. The characters themselves are in sort of a chibi style. The price for Kakashi is around $122. The price for Naruto is around $150. The price for Sakura is around $165. The price for Sasuke is around $200. The price for Jiraiya is around $150. The price for Orochimaru is around $200. The price for Minato is around $150. The price for Itachi is around $140. The price for Tsunade is around $130. These QRs are limited to 720 pieces in the world. It's one QR in every 1,000 packs. Now, Naruto Kayou have done something very special for the first time. A hidden version of the Naruto Uzumaki QR, and it looks like this. So straight away, you can tell that it's got different background art. So you've got the golden oriental, you've got the ramen, you actually got Kurama in the bottom right. Naruto's name in the background is actually orange. And the normal Naruto Uzumaki has the white background text. It doesn't have the ramen and the Kurama. So there are only 72 of these hidden QRs in the world, which makes them very rare and sought after. So the price for this Naruto Uzumaki is around $4,000 right now, which is absolutely crazy. There is also XR special card. This is a full art ink style, absolutely insane looking card. It's got the banner in the top left, and they've just got rid of the border. Just said have this absolutely crazy looking card, the entire card being on show. So you've got the Naruto XR special, which is going for around $275. Sasuke XR special, which is going for $350. We've got Kakashi, which is going for $380. You've got Jiraiya, which is going for $380. You've got Minato, which is going for $380. You've got Iruka Sensei, which is going for $300. The official full rate for the XR is one XR special per 4,000 packs. These special XR cards are actually limited to 720 pieces. 720 is a weird number, actually coincides with the 720 episodes of Naruto animation. Kayou have gone above and beyond. They've actually got a hidden XR of Naruto and Sasuke, which is only limited to 72 pieces in the world. This card is going around $4,500 right now, which is absolutely crazy. I'm a big fan of what Kayou have done here, and my favourite feature is the Sharingan yin and yang in the foreground, which is such amazing attention to detail by Kayou. That's the end of the video. Hopefully you picked up something new and exciting. Hopefully you're now well equipped to open your brand new Age of Ninja box. The prices are subject to change as the cards get more and more packed. They might drop in price, or the booster set is out of print. The price will rise because there's low supply and high demand. But yeah guys, stay tuned for more content like this. We'll be posting a video of us opening the Age of Ninja box, which will be amazing. Peace!